constantly think about it while you are sleeping? Oh, I have to breathe, otherwise I'll die.
No, ma'am.
No, right? Okay. Do you have to think about it all the time about blinking?
No, ma'am.
Blinking, we don't think about it, we don't do it deliberately, that happens automatically. Even while I'm speaking, even while I'm not doing anything, even if someone is in front of me or not in front of me, I'll still blink regardless, right? Okay. So I'll write few examples only, um only if I'm hoping it is coming smoother to you. Okay, voluntary actions would look like writing, or something like that, like walking. Okay, any verb you can think about, and it is voluntary. Involuntary then comes like, as we talked about, blinking. Oh god, why is it not running smooth on Microsoft Edge? I don't know. I mostly don't teach on Microsoft Edge, and it's काफी ज़्यादा टक रहा है, I get it. Okay. And what else can be involuntary? um, Breathing only, I guess. Is there anything else that is involuntary?
Ma'am, beating of heart.
Very good. Amazing. Beating of heart. Right? We don't have to do anything to make our heart beat. Okay. Lovely. And all the life processes that we are going to study about today will be an involuntary actions. Okay. Actions that we don't put deliberate efforts to make it happen, but it is still happening, and it is important to happen in our body, otherwise we will simply die. Okay. That any of these process, if it stops working or it malfunctions, it will eventually affect our health. Okay. So one thing that you should keep in mind, that all the life processes that we are going to talk about are going to be voluntary, involuntary actions. Yes, Janvi, what are these life processes looks like? What kind of action are these? It's okay, you can get settled around, so you can keep it at a place, no worries. You can keep the phone at one place around, say. You don't need to fidget with it. Don't worry about it. You can still speak regardless. Settled?
Yes, ma'am.
Lovely. Okay. Yeah. So, yes, what are these life processes and what kind of actions are these?
Ma'am, involuntary.
Involuntary actions only. Okay. These are the processes that we don't actually have to do stuff to make it happen, but if any of it stops or malfunctions, it is directly going to impact our body. Okay. Can you imagine what will happen if your body will stop digesting your food?
Yes, ma'am.
What will happen if your body will stop digesting your food automatically?
Ma'am, we won't be able to eat.
We won't be able to eat. Sometimes that happens. Actually, it is not stopping of digestion, it is anti-digestion. What happens when anti-digestion happens? You vomit, right? Our
Yes, ma'am.
digestion mostly takes place in a downward direction, but anti-digestion or anti-action is something when that digestion reverses itself, right? And most of the times in that case you vomit. What happens when you vomit? That happens mostly when you get sick or you're unable to digest things like that, right? So it is
Yes, ma'am.
directly going to impact our body. Okay. So these involuntary actions are so small, हमें भले ही पता चले ना चले, हम भले ही effort करें ना करें, and we take it for granted a lot of times when our body is working smoothly, but they are extremely crucial. We can't even sustain for a day if any of these life processes of digestion, respiration, excretion stops. Okay. All right. Coming back. We can move to the next page. Um, okay. Would you like to read from the paragraph that is starting on this page, since these maintenance?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please do.
Since these maintenance processes are needed to prevent damage and breakdown, energy is needed for them. This energy comes from outside the body of the individual organism, so there must be a process to transfer a source of energy outside the body of the organism, which we call food, to inside, a process we commonly call nutrition. If the body size of the organism is to grow,